XRP, we start with daily chart. Now we want to see how it move and what we will get on to 2025. Okay. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was here, I mentioned the best option I'm looking for the price to retest the previous low, this low, then any opportunity for buy from there, we will take it. And this is what we get. And as we can see from the first day, how market is moved. That's why I was keep explaining since last month. Wait for the price to retest 1.97, then any opportunity for buy from there we will take it. And whoever get the trade for buy within this range, at least book some profit. Okay. Now the question is what's the next? Whether the price can continue from here or not. Okay. We have to be quite careful from what we get here. Right, still we can expect this one turn to more complex correction. That's why whoever get the trade for buy within this range, at least book some profit. All right, still we can expect for the price to retest the previous low, but at this point, for me, I'm not waiting for the price to drop to any of this low. There is a possibility, but I'm not waiting. This means any opportunity for buy from here, we'll take it. We have to wait. And if this one turns to daily correction, then we look for continuation. Then at first we look for to see the breakout of the previous top following by 2.9. Then from there we can look for continuation. That's why we want to see what we will get from here. All right. And at this point I don't see any trade setup. The only thing is whoever get the trade at least book some profit. And right now I'm looking at this. I want to see whether I can get any opportunity for buy or not. Because if the price continues as a corrective following by divergence, then we can expect this one either to turn to a deeper correction or we can expect the price retest 1.97 again. But if we move to daily chart, as we can see at this point, 3 times the price dropped to 1.97. There was no breakout. Now we get this one. All right. But as I mentioned, I'm looking to see the daily correction. Then from there, any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And based on forward chart, the only option is to put the entry above the top, and it's not the trade setup. For me, I'm not really interested. And if we move to 1 hour chart, this is what we will see here. Losing the momentum. That's why if the price continues as a corrective following by divergence, this is what we are not interested to look for trading that possibility. That's why I mentioned if we get a deeper daily correction, it can give us better confirmation. Because at this point, the only option is to put the entry above the top, which for me, I'm not really interested, but mostly we're looking for continuation. And if we move to a monthly chart, this is what we get within last 5 days or 4 days. All right, we see it's recovering. Okay, that's why I mentioned we're looking for daily correction, we're looking for continuation. And if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation. Anyway, first of all, to make it very simple, whoever get the trade for buy within this range, book some profit. And any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And mostly if we get the daily correction, it can give us better confirmation, because at this point, as what I explained, based on lower time frame, we don't see the trade setup. It doesn't mean the market cannot move. Okay, we cannot say that. But the only thing is how to look for trade. We're looking for the trade setup. Similar to what I explained since the price was within this range. I mentioned wait for the price to drop to 1.97, almost retest the previous low. Any opportunity for buy, this is what we get. This is what we have been looking for. Okay, that's why I may it again. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. It can continue. Even it can. We can expect to see the continuation without giving us a trade setup. The only thing is we wanna look for the trade setup, and we are not going to take the trade, or we will not buy. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.